Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our portion of Virginia Dreams. On behalf of Virginia Rain, Mr. D.W. Heingardner, Mr. Canton Breeden, Mr. Scott Foltz, Mr. Mark Comer, I am Beth Rogers, and we're going to be playing Steel Rails. Steel rails, chasing sunshine round the bend, winding through the trees like a ribbon in the wind. I don't mind not knowing what lies down the track, 'cause I'm looking out ahead to keep my mind from turning back. It's not the first time I found myself alone at dawn. If I really had you once, then I'd have you when I'm gone. Whistle blowing lonesome in my mind, calling me along that never-ending meadow line. Steel rails, chasing sunshine round the bend, winding through the trees like a ribbon in the wind. I don't mind not knowing what lies down the track, 'cause I'm looking out ahead to keep my mind from turning back. Sun is shining through the open boxcar door, taking back my mind to the things I've known before. I've lost count of the hour, day, and time. The rhythm of the rails keeps emotion in my mind. Steel rails, chasing sunshine round the bend, winding through the trees like a ribbon in the wind. I don't mind not knowing what lies down the track, 'cause I'm looking out ahead to keep my mind from turning back. Steel rails, chasing sunshine round the bend, winding through the trees like a ribbon in the wind. I don't mind not knowing what lies down the track, 'cause I'm looking out ahead to keep my mind from turning back. 'Cause I'm looking out ahead to keep my mind from turning back.